Redis is not just a cache. With RediSearch, it becomes a fast full-text search engine sitting right next to your data. Let's see how it works and what to watch for in a code review. Normally finding all products under $10 in Redis means scanning every key yourself. RediSearch adds a secondary index so you can query by any field, just like a database, without touching keys you do not need. When you write a hash whose key starts with the registered prefix, RediSearch automatically adds its fields to an inverted index. Later, FT.SEARCH walks that index, never scanning raw keys, and returns the full documents. FT.CREATE declares which key prefix to watch and what each field type is. After that, ordinary hset calls keep the index current. FT.SEARCH accepts free text terms, field filters, and sort options, no application-side scanning required. When you review a pull request using RediSearch, look for 4 things: a keys call hiding in a hot path, queried fields missing from the schema, a numeric field typed as text, and hash prefixes that do not match what FT.CREATE registered. Define the index once with FT.CREATE, write hashes as normal, and query with FT.SEARCH. The 2 most common review bugs are a missing field in the schema and a prefix that does not match. Both fail silently, so train your eye to catch them.